Hi guys, today we're going to learn how to make this cute chocolate holder for Valentine's Day. I usually make these and put it in my office and it's such a great hit. You could also do it and give it as a Valentine's Day gift. You're going to need a ceramic pot from either the Dollar Tree or Home Depot. I got this at Home Depot. Don't forget to also get the matching lid or the part that goes at the bottom. A fishbowl from the Dollar Tree, red paint, stickers, and chocolate, also from the Dollar Tree. Once your pot is dry, you're going to go ahead and add the stickers. Here's where the project becomes yours. You decorate it however you want. I'm decided to put the heart stickers all around and then at the bottom of the rim of the pot. To add the fishbowl, I'm just going to see, kind of eyeball it where the middle of it is. And I'm going to use hot glue gun for this. You could also use, I forget the name of the other glue is. I think E400, something like E600. You can also use that, but I'm going to use the hot glue. I'm going to kind of find the center and then just press on it for a couple of seconds, and that should do the job. And there you have it, the most easiest way to make this chocolate holder. I went ahead and added a bow in the middle, and it's ready to take to my office. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and like. I will see you on the next video. Bye.